In this video, I will show you how to add a card on the PayPal app. So this can be a credit card, debit card, whatever kind of a card you would like to connect with your PayPal account. So go and open up the PayPal app, then in the bottom right, click on your wallet. Now from here you will see your balance, and under that you can see banks and cards. Now you can see I already have quite a few connected, but if you don't, just go and click on add new right here. Then select a debit and credit card. Then here you can either scan your card if you have a physical card, but you can also connect a virtual one if you want. So then just click enter your card info, and then here enter your card number, expiration date and CVV code. So after doing that, just go and click on connect, and then it will be added to the PayPal app and it's then connected. So now you know how to add a card on the PayPal app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.